how would I describe the EOS e-commerce team? I would refer to them as resilient rock stars. And the reason is that they are every week stepping into unknown spaces and really surprising us with the very innovative and creative solutions that they're finding.
We were forced to think from a customer point of view. And I think having that mandatory is really helped us in creating something that helps our customer at the end.
Design thinking is a way of understanding and solving problems using design methodologies. In our project, we have used, for example, personas, customer journeys, and assumption validations as a way to help us create a prototype quickly and go out and test with the customer.
To create something that was genuinely, a really good experience that people could rely on and that our customers could get used to as a really key source of information for them on our product catalog.
What was interesting to me is that when we went for the next iteration of the site, which actually was led by bringing the next kind of product online, we, through the feedback that we got from users, did a complete facelift.
I remember when we had the first revenue, and that was Friday night, and even on Saturday, Payam said, well, we did have the second order. So people were engaged even on the weekends and cheered, and I think they were really happy to see some results.
E-commerce is a very powerful, important digital tool for us because it is enabling us to really tailor our offerings to our customer needs 24/7, making sure to service our customers around the globe and to react fast to their needs.
E-commerce is what our customers want. It's easy, convenient. It's how our customers are used to buying products and services these days, and it's a key part of the future of doing business.
What was really inspiring is to see that a cross-functional team came together in the midst of a pandemic, working in an entirely virtual environment.
We brought together a diverse team of people to make this happen, moved quickly in a lean and agile way, and continually applied a customer-centric design process. Our hope is that we develop a full 360 digital experience for all our customers. And that really starting from, how do they find us in the web, their search, their ads, to completing a sale and after-sale services.
We actually achieved the first big thing. We have an online presence that gives us data to judge upon customer behavior and build up data to be better and to reiterate what we have.
1 year
of EOS
online store.
1 year of EOS online store is being in Spaceship Enterprise and going where no one has gone before.